YouTube, what's going on? This is JT Black in my garage time. Black in my garage time. Black in my garage time. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome back to the channel. To all my new subs, welcome to my channel. I see I picked up some new subs too. Like I say, once again, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Um, I do a bunch of my bill updates and I do some unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in a long time. I did a semi unboxing video the other day, but it was a comparison video, so it was still an unboxing video. My channel started off as an unboxing video. I do not do, I haven't got to the point to where I can do a full bill on camera yet. Maybe when I get some more recording equipment, I will get to that. But tonight I got another um, unboxing slash comparison video for y'all. Now these are two different kits, both by Revell, both skill level 4. The 76 is a 124th, the 77 is a 125, 125th. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a comparison of them. I'm pretty sure everything is the same except for the suspension because the 76 is a 4x4. But let's take a look at both of them. Y'all hang on just a minute. So both of them are boxed up completely different. Um, that one came look like the cab with this one is at the bottom. So let's open them up. I'm gonna stretch them out. I'm gonna space them out. And let's see what we got. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go ahead and get to it real quick. So let's go ahead and start with the chrome tree. So the chrome trees are all the way different. All the way different. Um, on the 76, you got the grill like that. You got the rally wheels. You have the mirrors. The mirrors. I don't know what style you call it, but you got the mirrors and the mirror brackets for that. Let's see what's the difference in the bumpers, which is I don't see a real bumper for the 77 yet. So we got a chrome steering wheel here. We got headlight buckets here. We have a set of valve covers there. We got a shifter and rearview mirror here. So that's for the 76. For the 77, I'm not sure what these are, but the grill is cut out. The grill is different. We'll see why here in just a minute. Don't have the park lights on it here. This grill looks a little bit bigger than that one. The one on the 76 is just a tad bit bigger, but it don't have the park lights. So as we go on, we'll figure out why. We got the aftermarket wheels here with the chrome wheel backs, valve covers. Let's see. And those valve covers the valve covers on here look a little bit longer, a little bit bigger than those, and they are. All right, so that's the chrome tree. And yeah, so that's the chrome tree. All right, so the frame, here's the frame for the 76. Got the muffler system already in it. That's for the 76. Got all your alignment holes for the transmission cross member. The I guess the engine sits right here too on the engine cradle. So that's for the 76. I figured it'll be a good difference in it because the 76 is it's a 4x4. So here's the frame for the 77, and it has the floor already in it. Attached to the frame, there's a dashboard, there's your suspension. Already has the shocks attached to it, which is cool. There's your rear end, and there's your dash. Let's see the difference in the dash. So the dashes are, this one looks like it have a different shape to it. And then it also has some clutches on it. Clutch and brake. They set up similar, but they got different shapes to them. The dash, this bezel here sits lower than that one look like it. I do it, this is the way I was holding it. This one definitely look a little bit more bulkier. And it has a CB radio right here. So I guess it's a CB radio. So that's for the 77. Here's a suspension for the 76 with the wheel backs. Got your front and rear differential, fan. There's a cooling hose. Like I said, you got your wheel backs. So that's for the 76. Let's see. So here's all your shocks for the 76. There's your engine, differential, engine and transmission. We already took a look at the dashboard. There's your radiator support. The heads of another set of valve covers here. There's a gas tank, fan straw. There's your column shifter. There's some bars, fan and pulley assembly, manifolds, timing chain cover. I don't know what this is off top, but it's there. Y'all see it. So that's for the 77. I mean the 76, I'm sorry. For the 77, you got a drive shaft here, tailgate, wheel backs, some, like a bar or something there, the fan. There's a steering wheel. I don't know what this is. Might got something to do with the gas tank, maybe. I don't know. There's your intake and your radiator. There's the engine and transmission. Has a starter already on it. Oil field is already molded in. You got a set of headers right here. So that's totally different. These kits are way different. So the 77 says newly includes newly tool wheels. I wonder if I can find the older kit for this. All right, so there's the tailgate for the 76. Let's see if it looks like. So the one on the 76 has Chevrolet on it, and the other one for the 77 doesn't. I might end up I might be end up doing some kit bashing here. Depends on how the decal sheets turn out. There's the intake breather. There is to be honest with you, like chains right here. I don't know what that is. There's the step size for it. Here's the bed rails for it. Got the same thing here. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. So the bed on the bed on the 76, here it is. You got to put the size on. The bed for the 77 already has the size on it. There is your back wall. That's for the 77. There's a shifter with the seats already in it. Door cards already in it. There's the fenders. Let's see if there's a big difference in the fenders. All right, so the one for the 70, the one for the 77 the 76 has lights here on the end on the back, and these for the 77 don't. They don't have the marker lights on it. So that's the difference. All right, let's see. Let's see what's the difference in the seats. Oh no, let me see. Something. So the front seats are totally different. Everything on the 76 looks bigger than the 77, but there's the seats, floor shifter. This one has the accelerator and clutch and e-brake and all the other good stuff molded into the frame. This one doesn't. Only has the accelerator molded in right there. So the hood, there's your hood. There's your back wall. That's for the back walls are even different. This has some indentures in it. That one don't. So the hood on the 77 is smaller. Then the wheel back, so I'm gonna use spare tire. That's 77. So here is like a bumper here. There's another intake. So they're different. They're definitely different. Joe asked me a question. I talked to Joe not too long ago, and he asked me with both of them. What did he say? Quarter time or something like that. I don't know, but I think they both the same size. That was just a 4x4. But there is your sunroof glass for that one. There's a sunroof glass for that one. So the back window and the windshield for the 76 is separate, along with the headlights, and you got an option for the sunroof. This one has a sunroof glass, and here's the back window and the front window. The quarter windows are all molded on the 77. So let's take a look at the wheels. So these are the wheels for the 76. There's only came one set of wheels for the 76, and these are it. No name. Big tire, no name. I could use these for something. It definitely won't be on their truck though. I don't know. It might be. I might build a truck as a 4x4. So here are the ones for the 77. No name. Definitely going to add white letter to these. Let's take a look at the decal sheet. The loaded decal sheet. Got some like some cylinder caps for the wheels. Scotchdale. Got the gauges. There go the side marker lights. That goes on there. You got some Chevy symbols, different colors. California, Michigan Place, 350. I'm not sure what these are for, but you got some body decals here. Tons of them, 350. Two port injection. That's for the fuel injection, I guess. So it's a little loaded decal sheet for the 77. So take a look at it. Square body. All right, let's see what the 77 has to offer. So the 77 has the wood for the back, has all the wood grain pieces for the inside, has seat belts, got the body decals, got some USA 1 license plates, there's some side markers, Chevy similar to Scott there as well. That Chevrolet is going to go across the back of the tailgate. There's your gauges and some wheel decals, center caps. So to be honest with you, I see some kit bashing going on here. It's gonna go on, should I say? All right, let's take a look at the bodies. This is what I've been waiting for. So the bodies already off top are different. So this one is smooth all the way on the sides. Both of them do have the side marker lights right there in the front, and they do both have the door handles. This one has Scottsdale molded into the fender. This one doesn't. This one also has a little small pillar here for the quarter window. This one doesn't. This one has a hole for the rearview mirror. That one doesn't. Sunroof is, let's go around. All right, so there's a look at it from the back. You can tell the firewalls are different. Where the windshield, where the hood latches on to here, the hood alignment hole, the things. So yeah, these are different. Even the cab, was all the way different. This one has a body molding going around here for the chrome piece that go around. This one doesn't. This one also has the space for that for the Chevy symbol that goes right here. That one does, the little square that's always right there. That has it. The engine bay is completely different. This one has two bags. This one only has one. Uh, so there's the side marker lights already molded in this one. That's the reason why that one don't have it. So they already molded in here. So you can cut out the sunroof right here. Like I say, that one already has it cut out. So yep. So y'all, that's the difference in them. Huge difference. They're nothing. They similar. They similar, but it's a huge difference. You know. So that was an unboxing video on the comparison between the two. I wish I could find the old release of the 77 to see what's the see what's the big difference in those. You know. So all right, y'all. So that's it. That's all. I'll probably have another video coming up tomorrow, but I've been wanting to do a comparison on these two, or either the Chevy 1500 and the Chevy 3500. So I might do a comparison on those next. Just see the years of them are totally different. I think I might need to when I do comparison videos. I need to do just the same year, but I really been wanting to see the difference in between the two on these. So uh, yeah. So all right, y'all. That's it. That's all. It's a little warm out here tonight. Gonna go ahead and take it in. I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all had a good weekend. I will see y'all next time.